try. Not you. They have the internet. They have the internet?
Yeah. But I wanted to like record it and bring it with me where I go.
Oh, those are cool. Part 2.
You know who we saw working as a bike cop?
Who?
Adam Skipper from high school. He's got a gun and everything.
Hank Hargrave still hates that guy.
Really? Why?
Stole his girlfriend.
Oh.
I hope he's not seeing this video on YouTube.
What?
I hope he doesn't see this video on YouTube now. Hey Ben, how's your friend Casey? Sperm ones. Oh, they found the egg. I get it. Diameter-wise.
Steve, you should learn how to make fireworks. Practice in your backyard. Oh dear God, no.
I was gonna say, I saw the Chinese New Year version of the fireworks. They're just standing on the frozen Detroit River confused. Then they went back to Jade. To people on YouTube, that's a racist comment. That's only an inside joke to Windsor people.
I went to Jade with Jay Sharon at like 4 in the morning, and there were like little kids in there. I think they were part of the family that ran the place.
Oh, tell them about McDonald's, Yumi and Jay. The mix of the UFC people and the other people. Frickin', it's UFC fans all let out, right? So we're like, okay, they're all drunk and being stupid. Out of nowhere, it's 2 a.m. downtown Windsor, and here's a bunch of 12 to 15-year-old girls.
Oh, the Taylor Swift fan.
Taylor Swift concert let out. We're like, let's go. Nothing good can come of
But there
this.
was this guy standing there peeing on the sidewalk for like 2 minutes straight peeing, and like little girls were walking by him.
Oh yeah, he just
He was
pissed
just
right
like,
there.
like up against the tree, like almost past them.
Crowd had to be from Forest Glade.
Probably. I went to McDonald's before this today, and a hobo took a cup out of the garbage outside, walked in, tried to get a refill, and the manager was like, "Where'd you get that cup?" He's like, "I'm getting a refill." He's like, "No, you got that from the garbage. Give that back to me. If you want a water, we'll give you water." But no. One day a year, the city of Windsor is filled with hope. One day a year. That's the one day Jay Sharon doesn't come out for some reason. I don't understand it. We would just kill him to see the city happy, I think.
Oh, any luck with those tickets for my mom?
I haven't heard anything yet. I asked.
I can't hear you.
I haven't heard anything back yet. I did ask.
I have a request now.
What's that?
I want to see Drake.
It's not Jimmy though.
I know. Sky and I want to see Drake.
He doesn't make t-shirts though.
Make it happen. I will treat you to a Tigers game. Too early applause, guy. Where's the big finish?
Oh, it's coming.
Where's the Bukkake?
Come on, there'll be a big finish.
There's no intermission. Ha-ha! Encore! Maybe they're like, oh yeah, we got a couple left, fire them all. Yep, walk in front of the shot. Boom!